Imagine a world where communication barriers between humans and artificial intelligence are virtually non-existent, where AI understands not just the words we speak, but the context and intricate subtleties behind them. This is not a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's a prospective reality with the advent of CogniSpheric language, or CgSp. This innovative language system has the potential to revolutionize the way AI processes, synthesizes, and generates information, bridging the gap between human cognitive functions and artificial intelligence capabilities. CgSp is poised to enhance AI's interaction across various domains, such as healthcare, environmental science, ethics, and education, by using a universal symbolic system. This system allows for a nuanced understanding and complex problem-solving that mimics human-like thinking more closely than ever before. But how exactly can this be achieved? And what are the potential impacts and applications of such a groundbreaking development in AI technology? Let's explore. CogniSpheric language enables the integration of knowledge across multiple disciplines. By encapsulating concepts using a universal symbolic system, AI can develop richer models of understanding. For instance, a query about health could leverage insights from medicine, psychology, and socioeconomics. This integration fosters a holistic approach to problem solving. It allows AI to consider various aspects of a problem simultaneously. For example, when addressing environmental health issues, CgSp could integrate data from science, public health, and socioeconomic studies to provide a comprehensive response. The potential of CgSp in creating interconnected knowledge networks is immense. It could lead to groundbreaking advancements in how AI assists in complex interdisciplinary research, making it an invaluable tool in academic and practical applications. CgSp's symbolic structure enhances AI's ability to understand and generate human-like language. This structure maps symbols to complex ideas and their relationships, providing a deeper semantic comprehension. Such capabilities are crucial for advanced interactions between AI and humans. By understanding the nuances and subtleties of human knowledge, AI can produce responses that are not only accurate but also contextually appropriate. This is especially important in fields like psychology or linguistics, where the depth of understanding can significantly impact the effectiveness of communication. Moreover, CgSp could improve AI's performance in language translation and content generation, making it more sensitive to cultural and contextual differences. This would greatly enhance the AI's utility in global applications, where understanding across language barriers is key. CgSp equips AI with tools for a more integrated approach to problem solving. By representing problems with a mix of symbols that reflect different dimensions, AI can assess and address various facets effectively. This method is particularly useful in technical fields such as engineering or IT, where multifaceted problems are common. For instance, in optimizing machine performance, CgSp can help AI to consider not just the mechanical aspects, but also the data analytics, tooling requirements, and operational workflow. This holistic view can lead to more effective and sustainable solutions. Such capabilities make AI not just a tool for executing predefined tasks, but a true problem-solving partner capable of contributing creatively and strategically to projects and challenges. The ability of CgSp to combine symbols in novel ways enhances AI's creative and generative capabilities. This is akin to human creativity, which often involves connecting disparate ideas to form new concepts. In fields like theoretical physics or urban development, such creativity can lead to innovative theories and solutions. For example, in designing smart cities, CgSp could enable AI to integrate concepts from urban planning, sustainability, technology, and social sciences. This could lead to new urban models that are more efficient, sustainable, and responsive to human needs. Thus, CgSp not only enhances the functional capabilities of AI, but also empowers it to participate in creative and theoretical endeavors, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. CgSp can revolutionize the way AI communicates with humans. By using a visually intuitive symbolic language, AI can convey complex ideas more clearly and effectively. This is crucial for making advanced and technical knowledge accessible to non-experts. For example, in explaining complex scientific concepts or emerging technologies, CgSp can help bridge the gap between expert knowledge and general understanding. This can enhance public engagement with science and technology, leading to more informed discussions and decisions. Moreover, in a globalized world, effective communication across different cultures and languages is essential. CgSp could play a vital role in this by simplifying and standardizing the way complex ideas are communicated across linguistic and cultural barriers. CgSp is particularly effective in simulating complex systems where various elements interact in dynamic and non-linear ways. This capability is invaluable in fields like ecology, economics, and climate science, where understanding the interplay of various factors is crucial for making accurate predictions and decisions. For example, CgSp can help model the impact of climate change on agricultural productivity by integrating data on weather patterns, crop genetics, and market economics. Such comprehensive models can provide more reliable forecasts and better strategies for mitigation and adaptation. Thus, CgSp not only enhances the predictive accuracy of AI models, but also makes them more comprehensible and accessible to decision-makers, ensuring that insights derived from AI analyses lead to practical and effective actions. In education, CgSp can transform how complex subjects are taught. By representing intricate theories and concepts through intuitive symbols, CgSp can make learning more engaging and understandable for students at all levels. For instance, in teaching quantum physics or advanced mathematics, CgSp can help visualize complex equations and theories in a way that is accessible to beginners. This can demystify subjects often perceived as difficult and encourage more students to explore them. Furthermore, CgSp's applications in virtual and augmented reality could create immersive learning experiences that enhance understanding and retention of knowledge. This could revolutionize educational methodologies, making learning a more interactive and impactful experience. Lastly, CgSp can aid in ethical reasoning by providing a structured way to represent and analyze ethical dilemmas. By symbolically representing different stakeholders, ethical principles, and potential outcomes, CgSp can help structure complex ethical discussions in a clear and organized manner. For example, in the realm of genetic research, CgSp can help visualize and weigh the benefits and risks associated with different research strategies, taking into account ethical, social, and scientific perspectives. This can facilitate more balanced and informed ethical decision-making. In conclusion, CgSp offers a comprehensive enhancement to AI's capabilities, from improving communication and problem-solving to facilitating creative solutions and ethical reasoning. Its potential to transform AI into a more effective and intuitive tool makes it a pivotal development in the field of artificial intelligence, promising to enhance not only how AI functions, but also how it interacts with and benefits humanity. This comprehensive exploration of CogniSpheric language, CgSp, illustrates its transformative potential in enhancing AI's capabilities across various domains. By facilitating better integration, understanding, problem-solving, creativity, communication, simulation, education, and ethical reasoning, CgSp can significantly elevate the interaction between humans and AI, leading to more intuitive, effective, and collaborative solutions. The future of AI, powered by CgSp, looks not only promising but also indispensable in advancing human knowledge and solving complex global challenges. This symbiotic enhancement could indeed pave the way for a new era of sophisticated AI-human collaboration, driving forward both technological capabilities and human understanding in unprecedented ways.